Powder coating is an innovative technology which uses dry paints in coating or painting surfaces. The method may seem to be not that different from how traditional paints are applied, but in this process, instead of using solvent-based paints, it uses powders. This powder is made of finely ground particles and resin, which bind to electrically charged particles. There are so many benefits one can get from using this technique. First, it produces zero-waste products because excess or unused powders can be recycled and used again on the next process. With this, total expense can also be cut down to a certain amount. In addition, this technique produces minimal VOC or volatile organic compounds as compared to traditional wet paints. These VOC are known to pose negative effects to the environment, thus should be avoided. When using this particular dry paint technique, no hazardous waste is being produced because there are no solvents and chemical substances involved throughout the process. Compared to liquid paints, his method produces a much thicker coating that is long-lasting and has high resistance to corrosion. The finish is also very smooth whether you apply the powder in an upright manner or vertically. Many businesses prefer to use this particular dry paint method in their products because it is cost and time efficient than the rest. The actual application is also simple and stress-free because the coating does not sag, drips or runs even if it is still fresh. The cost of powder coating in Cork, Ireland is also very much cheaper than any other painting technique we have in the market. The device used in the actual application of the powder also costs less than liquid-based paints. So basically, a lot of money can be saved, especially in bulk orders or production. When it comes to application, powder coating involves 3 major processes. The first one is preparation. This is where we make sure that the surface to be painted is clean and free from dust or any other particles. This is very important to achieving a quality finish. The second process is the application. Powder is then sprayed onto the surface evenly. And finally, curing. This is where heat is then applied in order to melt the powder, which will later become hard and smooth. After the process, your product will have an excellent finish that's impressively beautiful. So, why not try this technology and see best results?